The basic distance meter, referred to as basic wave, is used to imitate Stauble's electronic Jacquard machine. Electronic Jacquard machines that use modules currently have the largest market share. There will be several hardware versions of the distance meter. For example, 1. Basic wave is used in electronic Jacquard machines using modules, similar to Stauble. 2. Buness wave is used in electronic Jacquard machines that use electromagnets, similar to Bonas. Please watch the related video for details. Distance meters are often used with free tool software that upgrades the distance meter software. In other words, the distance meter software is also free to upgrade. Essentially, basic wave checks whether the lifting knife has irrecoverable deformation and whether this irrecoverable deformation is within the modulus fault tolerance. Basic wave statically measures the height of the lifting knife when the electronic Jacquard machine stops working. If it is found that the lifting knives have been deformed, strictly speaking, the lifting knives have been working for a long time and their lifespan has expired. This electronic Jacquard machine needs to replace all the lifting knives. For details, please watch the video when static deformation of the lifting knife is detected. All lifting knives of the electronic Jacquard machine need to be replaced. Assume that the height of the lifting knife changes between a plus B and a C when the electronic Jacquard machine is working. Here is the static height of lifting knife. B and C are the dynamic deformation of the lifting knife. Please note that the above A, B, and C are always changing. They are affected by working temperature, working speed, load changes, and other factors. About working speed. For details, please watch the video. Different working speeds require different lifting heights. About working temperature. For details, please watch the video. The effective temperature on the height of the lifting knife of electronic Jacquard machine. When the height of the lifting knife is a plus B, if it exceeds the fault tolerance range of the module, it will cause fabric errors. When the height of the lifting knife is AC, although it will not cause fabric error, it will cause mechanical impact, thereby shortening the service life of the mechanical part of the electronic Jacquard machine. For details, please watch the video. The height of the lifting knife affects the service life of the mechanical part of the electronic Jacquard machine. Since the dynamic deformation of the knife is difficult to measure, fabric errors are easy to detect. A typical fallacy. Try to shorten the static height of the lifting knife as much as possible, so that the height of the lifting knife is a plus B and within the fault tolerance range of the module, so that the fabric is normal. But it may shorten the service life of the mechanical part of the electronic Jacquard machine. Before the use of real-time online detection technology, experienced engineers would estimate whether a mechanical impact would occur based on the sound emitted by the electronic Jacquard machine during working. But this was not necessarily accurate. After the real-time online detection technology is used, It can be judged whether a mechanical impact occurs based on the real-time online detection data, thereby detecting and adjusting the height of the lifting knife of the electronic jacquard machine. For details, please watch the video, How to Adjust the Height of Lifting Knife of the Electronic Jacquard Machine. Please note that the living state of the electronic jacquard machine is always changing. For example, from birth to death, and even rebirth. Therefore, the distance meter is one of the necessary tools for electronic jacquard machines. Please let us know if you have any doubts. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.